So now, let's talk about PayPal. PayPal's biggest strength is recognition. Almost every online shopper knows and trusts it. When customers see the PayPal button at checkout, they feel safe, especially first-time buyers who might hesitate to enter card details on a new store. That trust often boosts conversion rates, especially for smaller retailers still building their reputation. PayPal is also incredibly easy to set up. You can connect it to your store in minutes. No coding required. It works across most e-commerce platforms and automatically handles the checkout flow. Customers can pay with their PayPal balance, linked bank account, or any major credit card. The entire process happens in a few clicks, and merchants receive funds quickly into their PayPal business account. For small businesses, PayPal offers more than just checkout. You can generate payment links, send invoices, and even accept payments through QR codes. It also supports buyer and seller protection, which adds an extra layer of confidence for both sides. However, PayPal's transaction fees can be slightly higher than Stripe's for some scenarios, and the checkout takes customers off your site temporarily, which means you have less control over the user experience. Whether you pick Stripe, PayPal, or both, the key is making checkout effortless. When payments are smooth and trustworthy, customers come back, and that is what truly powers online growth for small e-commerce stores. Let's talk about Stripe. Stripe is known for being the developer's favorite. It was built for customization, giving businesses the tools to create seamless, branded checkout experiences. When you integrate Stripe, customers stay on your website the entire time, which keeps your brand front and center. The checkout can match your store's design, colors, and flow, making it feel professional and cohesive. For small businesses that care about creating a polished experience, that is a big advantage. Stripe also supports a wide range of payment methods. Customers can pay with credit cards, debit cards, mobile wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay, and even local options depending on the country. It accepts recurring payments, subscriptions, and invoicing, all within one platform. The system handles global currencies automatically, which is perfect if you sell internationally. What really sets Stripe apart is its back-end power. It gives you detailed analytics, automated reporting, and built-in tools for fraud prevention through Stripe Radar. You can also set up automated receipts, manage refunds easily, and even access instant payouts. For businesses that are growing, Stripe's scalability is hard to beat. It integrates seamlessly with major platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Squarespace, while also giving you the option to build custom payment flows from scratch if you need more control.